Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study the structural elucidation of cocaine. Let us start. Cocaine is an opium alkaloid and this is the structure of cocaine. It is a very simple structure. The molecular formula is C17H21NO4. And there is a nitrogen atom. From the structure you can see it is a tertiary nitrogen. And how can we confirm this? We can treat with methyl iodide. We get a quaternary salt. That is cocaine methiodide. This proves that the nitrogen atom present in cocaine is tertiary in nature. And now cocaine is subjected to hydrolysis. That is, it is heated with water to give benzoyl ligonine. The reaction is C17H21NO4 with water gives CH3OH and the molecular formula is C16H19NO4. Take the structure here, CH3OH is removed. So, we can say cocaine is the methyl ester of benzoyl ligonine. This is benzoyl ligonine. So, considering the reverse reaction, you can say cocaine is a methyl ester of benzoyl ligonine. Benzoyl ligonine is now subjected to barium hydroxide hydrolysis. This compound benzoyl ligonine is subjected to further hydrolysis by barium hydroxide. We get benzoic acid and ligonine. So from this reaction we can say benzoyl ligonine is a benzoyl derivative of ligonine. Right? So now we have to learn the structure. We have to elucidate the structure of ligonine to confirm the structure of cocaine. So let us go to the structural elucidation of ligonine. This is the structure of ligonine. The difference you can see, CH3O is removed and C6H5CO is removed. Right? So going to the chemical constitution, the molecular formula is C9H15NO3. Here also we have a nitrogen atom which is confirmed as tertiary with a common test. With methyl iodide we get quaternary salt. That is ligonine methiodide. And now we have a carboxylic acid group, right? So it is also determined by simple method, that is treatment with a base. We get sodium salt of ligonine, which means there is a single carboxylic acid group in the ligonine. And now we also have a hydroxyl group, which we can determine by acetylation or benzylation. Here we can determine by benzylation. And to know the nature of the hydroxyl group, we are subjecting the ligonine to oxidation. We get a ketone ligoninone. So we know that the hydroxyl group is secondary in nature. Now we are going to learn the oxidation reactions of the ligonine. When ligonine is oxidized with chromic acid, we get ligoninone. It is a ketone. And from this carbon dioxide is removed, we get another molecule tropinone. And this on oxidation we get tropinic acid and ligoninic acid. So the reaction is, this is the ligonine, we know the structure. On oxidation with chromic acid, we get ligoninone. That is the OH group is converted to C double bond O. Alcohol group is oxidized to ketone group. And from here carbon dioxide is removed by heating, CO2 is removed. So we get tropinone, right? Again we are oxidizing this ketone with chromic acid. We all know on oxidation of a ketone we get acid, a carboxylic acid. The same here, but we get two products, tropinic acid and ligoninic acid. The difference you can see, CH2, CH2COOH, both sides, NCH3, and the difference comes in this part. CHCOOH means tropinic acid and C double bond O is ligoninic acid. From the above said facts, we can determine the structure of ligonine as this structure. Further, we have to confirm the structure of ligonine by its synthesis. So let us see the Willstatter synthesis. We take tropinone as the starting material. And tropinone is treated with sodium. You can see the double bond shifts here. So we get CH and we get CONA. And this compound is subjected to Kolb's reaction, which is nothing other than addition of carbon dioxide. So CH becomes CHCOO and the sodium goes there. We get the ketonic group back. So this is sodium tropinone carboxylate. This on reduction followed by hydrolysis. On reduction with sodium amalgam, the C double bond O is reduced to alcohol, and on hydrolysis the sodium is removed. NaOH and CHCOOH, right? So we get the iguanine. So finally the structure of iguanine is confirmed, and we all know iguanine is a product of hydrolysis of cocaine. So going back in the reverse order, we get cocaine, right? So now we are going to synthesize cocaine from iguanine. Synthesis of cocaine. Iguanine is esterified with methanol to get CHCOOCH3 at this part, and benzylation to get OCOC6H5 at this part. So esterification with CH3OH methanol and C6H5COOH benzoic acid, we get minus cocaine. This is the synthesis of cocaine, and from this the structure of cocaine is finally determined. Hope you guys understood the topic. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Chemistry Tutorial. Stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching.